guys, so it's part 2 of trying to sell Rubik's Cube, and it really looks the same when it's on the top. Oh god. It already broke. Did it break again? I'm just gonna click image. This is almost solved. But I just need to find that green. The green is up there. And I dropped one in one piece for that, and let's try solving it. Okay, I can't tell time that. I'm sorry. Because I don't know how to do that. And just a reminder, if you heard it again, no you ain't. Just click these off and did it. Just want that go there. But yes, then already solved. Yeah, I'm just gonna start solving it. Okay. I'm gonna be quiet for 3 seconds. Okay, this is almost solved. Still recording? Yep, it is. Yes. Let's do clip. Doing that. Oh, good. Just look at it. Look at this. How unsolved it is. Seriously, it's all unsolved. I only done this. It's been unsolved since my mom did this. Oh. Okay, that almost looks solved. Not gonna lie. And then she turned that. Keep doing that to make it look unsolved. And I pretty much unsolved it when I first put it. And I'm really thinking to get a bigger Rubik's Cube. Stop. And if Taylor says love in this video, I'm gonna drop this. Wait in.
Hi guys, what am I talk?
Oh, don't listen to her. She don't even have a TikTok account. And I don't. And she does, but I don't want her to have a TikTok account. And I want her to actually. And a TikTok account is Tamay 2. Yeah, Tamay 2. It's yellow. And tomorrow I'll do part 3, and I can't do that much. Just making videos, edit, and then I just post them. Yeah, no, it's like a cool video. I never done these videos. What, second time doing this? And no, my first time. Part 1 and part 2 were on the same day. Yeah. So, bye guys.